Hello and welcome to a new session. The first question we want to deal with right off the start is why Python? Why should I learn Python? So maybe I'm in college, I'm trying to take a programming class. I have all those different options of Java and JavaScript and other options, C++, C Sharp, and Python. Why Python? Or maybe I'm someone that's already in the field of IT and I'm considering, a project that has Python in it. Or maybe I'm someone in a completely different career, maybe in accounting or something. And I heard that, there's good jobs in IT and Python developers get paid good. So I'm interested. So what the heck is Python? Let's start there. So Python is, again, it's a development language. It's a software development language, but what are some features? What are some of those things that are special about it? Number one, it's not just for current technologies, but it's also for things that people are going to need in the future. You're going to find that Python is strongly used in what we call data sciences. When it comes to artificial intelligence, when it comes to machine language, when it comes to deep learning, those are all different things that you're going to find Python plays a big part of it. And under AI, there's, we get into a lot more details, such as, rule-based reasoning and translation and speech to text and text to speech and all, robotics. And so Python is definitely something that's core there. So, there's a future to it. It's not just the present that's good. There's a very good future. Sometimes Python is mixed and integrated with other platforms. So if you have, Python and Django, for example, you're going to find that it builds very powerful apps and websites that we use on a regular basis. For example, the YouTube is built on that platform. Spotify is built on that platform. Pinterest is built on that platform. So you're going to find that there's a lot of platforms that are very powerful that we use on a regular basis that are built on Python in collaboration with Django, for instance. Why Python again? One of the other reasons is, Python, as in terms of a platform, it has what's called platform independence, so which makes it very powerful. Code simplicity. So over the years, when you get into programming languages, the way you declare your variables, the way you have your arrays and so on. The nice thing about Python, it's kind of a later generation, it's a newer generation. So a lot of those are a lot more simpler than what they used to be decades ago and so on. It also has something very important in programming, what we call is a large set of libraries, in programming languages, we need libraries to be able to connect to different platforms. So I need a library to be able to connect to files and read files and communicate with files. I need libraries to be able to connect with databases and do certain tasks within databases. So Python has what we call a large set of libraries, just makes it much, much easier. Also, there's a lot of community support. So if I have a question, if I'm trying to reach out to something, the way Python is and the different versions and releases that they have, it's more communal product. You're going to find a lot of support as you work with other people. Last but not least, and one of the most important things is jobs, money. There's a lot of money in being a Python developer. There's a lot of job opportunities out there. If you go out and search online, you're going to find a lot of positions, a lot of jobs that pay very good job, even Python developer. So we wish you guys the best of luck in this journey. Thanks for joining us. Thank you for joining us in today's session. We hope that you enjoyed it. And we'd like to invite you to a lot of our free sessions. Simply visit our website at kinseytech.com/events. Thank you again.